Hello there, and a very warm welcome here to my channel. I'm Marie, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a half solid granny square. This technique is very useful to know how to make if, for example, you are making a blanket where your squares are placed like a diamond, like so, and you want something to fill out the gaps in the side of your blanket or any other project that you're making. So let's grab some yarn and a crochet hook and let's get started. To begin, I'm going to make a slip knot. So I will form a loop, place my working yarn behind the loop, grab the yarn through the loop with my hook and pull tight. And then I'm going to chain 4. So yarn over and pull through. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. And I'm going to join these 4 chains with a slip stitch into the first chain. So insert, pull through the loop on the hook. And I now have this small circle here that I can work my stitches into. So to begin, I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these 4 chains will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. So next I'm going to make 3 double crochet into this little circle here. So yarn over and insert into the circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And 2 more times. So here's the first cluster of the triangle. So next I'm going to create the corner or the tip of the triangle. So to do that, I'm going to chain 2. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And next I will make 3 more double crochet into the circle. 1, 2, and 3. And next I'm going to chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the circle. And that is the first round complete. To start the second round, I'm going to chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, these chain 4 will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then I'm going to turn my work around. And I'm going to make 2 double crochet into this first chain 1 space here. And I will make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And I've now reached the tip of my triangle here. So into the chain 2 space here, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, all into that same space. Two double crochet, now chain 2 and 2 more double crochet. And again, I'm going to make a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And I've now reached this last chain 1 space here. And into this chain 1 space, I'm going to make 2 double crochet. And to finish off, I'm going to chain 1 and make a double crochet into the top of the chain 3 here. That counts as a double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the top of the 3 chains, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, to start the next row, I'm going to chain 4. Which will count as a double crochet and a chain 1. Then turn my work. And row 3 is going to be made in exactly the same way as row 2, except I have 7 double crochet in the side of the triangle to work into in this row. So for every row, my sides are going to grow with 4 new stitches. So again, I'm going to make 2 double crochet into the first chain 1 space. And make a double crochet into the next 7 stitches. And again, into the tip of my triangle, I will make 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet, all into the same chain 2 space. And again, double crochet into the next 7 stitches. Again, I've reached the last chain 1 space here, so I will make 2 double crochet into that space. And at last, I will chain 1 and make a double crochet into the top of the chain 3. And again, to start the next row, I'm going to chain 4. And turn my work. And I'm just going to work up one more round in exactly the same way as I did the previous ones. Only this time I will have 11 stitches in each side of my triangle to work into. So I will just continue and meet you right back when I'm ready to fasten off and weave in the yarn tails. And here at the end I will just fasten off my yarn. So I will cut it and I will yarn over, pull my yarn tail all the way through and tighten the knot. And I will weave in the yarn tails on the back side. So just weave in once and back again one more time to secure the yarn. And do the same with the other yarn tail. And we are now all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give the video a like and comment down below if you have any questions or just something nice to say. I always like to hear from my viewers and I try to reply to every single comment. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel for a lot more free video tutorials. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.